Today, we will learn about how to classify stars based on their size, color temperature, and brightness. But first, a quick star review. When something gets hot enough and the colliding atoms' nuclei stick together, a process called nuclear fusion occurs. Nuclear fusion happens when nuclei of many atoms merge into one larger nucleus. A star's power comes from the energy released by nuclear fusion. A star is actually a huge ball of gas, mostly hydrogen and helium, with a core so hot that nuclear fusion happens inside of it. Gravity holds it all together. When the energy created from the core leaves the core of the star, it travels through the star and radiates or shines into space. Starlight, star bright. So, to quickly recap, why do stars shine? Because of the energy from nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion happens when the nuclei of many atoms stick together and form one large nucleus. Okay, let's learn to classify these beautiful balls of gas called stars. Stars are classified according to their spectra. A star's spectrum is the light it emits spread out in wavelengths. Stars have varied spectra and colors depending on their surface temperatures. Okay, so think fast. Which color star might be the hottest? Red, white, or blue? Normally, we think that red equals fire, so we might answer red, but hold on. Actually, the correct answer is white or bluish white. The hottest stars of all have a bluish white color, and they are usually the most massive. These stars are usually bigger than our yellow sun star. Most stars, however, the red ones, are smaller than the sun and are called red dwarfs. So, think of it in this order: red dwarf, yellow sun, white, bluish white. In the early 1900s, a two-dimensional graph was made by Ejnar Hertzsprung and Henry Norris Russell. This graphed the luminosity of stars versus the temperatures of the stars. The y-axis is the increasing luminosity, and the x-axis is the decreasing temperature. An interesting pattern emerges in the graph. Can you guess what it is? It's a line of stars that emerge called the main sequence stars. It's a cool star pattern. The mass of the main sequence stars determines both its temperature and its luminosity. The HR diagram can be useful to determine a star's luminosity, which can be used to then determine the distance of stars from the beautiful planet we inhabit called Earth.